the footage of what you guys are here for. The car sat for the winter. I did start it up every once in a while. The last time I started it before this time, everything was fine. So I don't really know what happened this time that did it, but turbo only has about 20 miles on it. I've had it for a couple years. I don't really know what went wrong, but we're gonna find out. Alright guys, so I just took the exhaust off, intake boot. So we're gonna pull the rest of the turbo off and take a look a little closer and see what happened. To look at the wheel. Alright, so now we're going to pull off the compressor housing. Just have 6 bolts. Now that all of those are off, we can just lift up and she should pull right out of there. Just like that. See here, you have the seal that goes around the compressor housing. I'm going to set that off to the side. So you can see here, the compressor wheel doesn't look like it had so much run out or so much play in it that it hit the housing, which is a good thing. So we can reuse this housing. Now she should just pull out of there, just like that. And you can see all the oil. Alright guys, quick note. When you pull these apart, you want to make sure that the compressor wheel is still on the same orientation to the exhaust wheel, because it's all one balanced component. So if this is 180 off or 60 off or 50 degrees off or whatever, it won't be balanced and it'll wear quicker. So what I did, put a mark here and here, so here to here, and that matches up with the balance mark on the nut on the compressor side, or on the exhaust side. So this is where they took some weight off, as you can see. So all that just has to line back up when I put it back together, and she'll be right back where she was before I pulled her apart. Alright guys, so I put the exhaust housing back on just so I could sit it on its side and break the nut loose on the compressor side. That was a 12 mil, and the exhaust side was a 19. So they are reverse threads, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. So I just broke that loose. Now we should be able to just lift this up carefully. And there she comes. So you can see right here, this is the main oil ring that keeps the oil from coming out the exhaust.